Go get Tigger, dude. Go get him. There you go. Go get him. You can do it. There you go. Go get Tigger. Yeah. There you go. Oh, you gotta keep your head up. When you do that, when you push with those feet, you gotta keep holding your head up. Oh, you're getting so close. You're almost there.